Want to create Google Drive link to share files? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open up any web browser, or you can open Google Chrome, then click on this icon. Now select Drive. You can directly head over to drive.google.com as well, log into your account. Now go ahead and open the file or folder that you want to share. Now you want to click on this eye icon. Here select Manage Access. You can click on Copy Link option. Now you can select this to anyone with link or restricted. Then you can also change it to viewers, commenter, or editor. Editors will be able to organize, add, and edit files. Select that and then click on the Save option. Another way is you can right click on the name, then select Share. Now you can click on the Share option and the same box will appear. From here, you can easily share it. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.